I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Pacing on a sleepless night.
What is going on, YouTube world? I'm Marcus.
I'm Tony.
We are here at Helen to Hardman Heritage Trail. Just out, well, technically I guess it's inside Helen and it goes outside of Helen. This is a super easy trail. As you can tell, it is actually paved, concreted the entire way. And no, as you can tell, we don't have our hugging hiker shirts on. Honestly, it's been a long week, long day. Started for me at 2:30 this morning, went to work, and then went and helped our pastor move. So honestly, we're just trying to get a hike in and show everybody how easy this trail is and how pretty it is. So here we go.
And all I can say is holy is he. Yeah, holy is he. He opened up my eyes and gave me spiritual sight. And all I can say is holy is he. Holy is he.
This is one of the few lookout points. There's 2 or 3 on this trail you do stop at, as you can tell. This trail does run by the river here in Helen the entire way. It's a beautiful place. Like I said before, it is a very easy hike. But I want to take this time to remind you guys, number 1, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It would truly help us out a lot, and definitely share it. I just want to reiterate, one of the main reasons we do these hikes, outside of the fact that we love hiking and want to show people all the places you can go hiking and the fun that you can have by just getting outdoors, is why we do this. Our goal is to truly reach as many people as we can and show them the love of Christ through our actions. So that is absolutely probably the main reason we actually come out here and do this. Yes, we love to hike, but I think especially coming out of the pandemic and everything in the world that we live in, what we're trying to do is just touch people and reach them. But anyway, enough of that. Let's do some more hiking. We have made it to the Hardman Farm side of the trail. We started on the Helen side. This is the Hardman Farm Visitor Center, and it is open 6 days a week, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. That is the old Hardman farmhouse up on the hill up there. Out there you see an old cornfield. And then if you want to take the time to zoom in, that little steeple building you see right there, that is the old Indian mound here in Helen. So it's a cool little place to come. I mean, if you like little tourist towns, there's a ton of stuff to do here in Helen. Great food, several places to go tubing. Great little tourist town to come to and visit. And you got trails, as you can tell by looking at watching all of our videos. There's all kind of trails around here, because Tony and I actually live only about 10 minutes from here, just down the road. So it's one of the reasons it's so easy for us to get out here and hike. But this is one of our favorite places, and we love to come here. But I really wanted to come back and show you guys why it wasn't so cold, because the last time I did a video here, I froze my hiney off because it was like 32 degrees that day. But anyway, we're gonna start heading back, and we'll see y'all in just a bit. Folks, we're going to end this where we started at. Listen, just a reminder, we're still trying to do this giveaway. I mean, details will be over on our Instagram page, and I personally apologize to everybody for not having as high as energy as I normally do, but I'm tired. I'm not even gonna lie. Just shows you that as much as people put on for YouTube, like I told y'all when we first started this, I am slap wore out, but I'm still going to come out and do this because I love doing it, and I love doing it for y'all, and I love the reason why we do it. So whether I don't necessarily feel like it, I'm still going to come do it. But this is where we're going to end it this week. Be looking forward to the next video. We'll let you know Wednesday where we're going next weekend, because we got something cool planned, or at least we're trying to anyway. But for now, God loves you, we love you, and as always, if you can't hug somebody, at least smile and wave. See y'all next week. Start over.